Hi guys, and Merry Christmas and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, hello, my name is Madhushri and I would really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Recently I got some comments saying कि तुम्हारा channel का नाम है Joy B, but you always introduce yourself as hi, my name is Madhushri, because मेरा जो नाम है that is Madhushri, Joy मेरा pet name है. So I wanted my channel to मेरा पेट नेम के साथ जाए, इसीलिए बिकॉज मधुश्री बहुत लंबा हो जाता है, तो आई थॉट कि जोई इज़ शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट, प्लस दैट्स माई पेट नेम एज आई सेड. सो या विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम लेट्स डिस्कस कि आज का वीडियो क्या होने वाला है. एज यू हैव रेड बाय द टाइटल, today's video is gonna be about me reviewing the top 5 newly launched नहीं बोलूँगी, the holiday edition from Bath and Body Works. I got this for Christmas and I wanted to review because it goes well with the season as well as the festival, that is Christmas. So yeah, I have 5 winter and Christmassy fragrances with me right now, and I will be sharing my reviews and thoughts and the smell of how I felt when I applied all these scents. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So guys, in no particular order, the first body mist from Bath & Body Works that I have with me is Strawberry Snowflakes. Yes, this is how the packaging looks. This is the newest packaged body mist because the original packaging looked a bit different, जिसका फोटो में यहाँ पे like कहीं प्लेस कर दूंगी. दिस इज़ द रीपैकेज्ड वन. द स्मेल इज़ द एग्जैक्ट सेम बिकॉज आई ओन्ड स्ट्रॉबेरी स्नोफ्लेक्स पहले, बट वो ख़त्म हो गया है लाइक 2-3 years ago, नॉट 2-3 years ago, 2 years ago आई हैड, बट मैं इतना यूज़ करती थी उसे, इवन ड्यूरिंग समर सीजन्स आई यूज़ टू यूज़ दैट, तो ख़त्म हो गया. सो या, दिस इज़ द न्यूली repackaged body mist, which is Strawberry Snowflakes, and this has notes of juicy strawberry, whipped cream and iced bergamot. And let me tell you, this particular fragrance smells so much more like fruitier, juicier and legit strawberry wala, like you know, strawberry cookie wala fragrance it's giving me, which is perfect for this season. I really liked that, you know, that sugary sweetness that is present in this body mist, which is really good. और हाँ, this is quite long lasting as well. मैंने नहीं समझा था कि इतना long lasting होगा. I have noticed one thing, summers में it lasts for 3 to 4 hours, but winters में 7 to 8 hours it does last, and for a body mist to last 7 to 8 hours is a really big deal because comparatively like body mist उतना ज़्यादा long lasting नहीं होता है as compared to perfume. But yes, this is ridiculously very long lasting. Oh my god, I really love this smell. You know, this kind of smells like snowflakes and cashmere. Not exactly the same, but थोड़ा बहुत similarities मुझे मिल रहा है both the body mists में. You know, this is, I won't say that this particular scent is a gourmand scent, but yes, it kind of smells like Yara's candy, जिसका मैंने recently review किया है. Both of them have different notes, but the strawberry is the common factor. But yes, दोनों का smell काफ़ी similar है. That's a perfume, that's a body mist, but I really like it. ज़्यादा overpowering भी नहीं है. It's really sweet, and I would really suggest कि जिनको strawberry fragrances अच्छे लगते हैं, जो warm हो, you can definitely go for this strawberry and snowflakes because yes, this is perfect for this season. So yeah, this was Strawberry Snowflakes from Bath and Body Works. I hope the packaging is visible, which is quite beautiful. I really liked it. The next that I have is Winterberry Wonder with me. Yeah, this is how it looks. I hope it's visible. And oh my god, the packaging is so pretty, so unique, and इसका भी like repackaged हुआ है. Like इसका जो packaging था वो काफ़ी अलग था, as you can see in the picture which I have placed कहीं पे यहाँ पे screen पे. This has, you know, I won't say that ये विंटर सीजन का है, लाइक पर्टिकुलर ये जो पर्टिकुलर बॉडी मिस्ट है, मैं नहीं बोलूँगी कि वो विंटर सीजन के लिए है, बट आई वुड डेफिनेटली से कि येस, क्रिसमस वाला वाइब्स अगर आपको चाहिए, दिस इज द स्मेल perfect for you because it has notes of ruby frost, winterberry, sparkling cranberry and crystallized vanilla, because I am getting vanilla, like in the top notes I am getting vanilla in it. उसके बाद मुझे cranberry का स्मेल आ रहा है. इवन दिस इज क्वाइट लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. इट स्मेल्स लाइक गोला, काला, नॉट काला, खट्टा वाला. It smells like a certain type of gola, the ice gola ones. It's giving me that vibes. And also plum cakes with rum in it. मुझे थोड़ा सा इसमें rum का मतलब उतना smell नहीं है, notes भी नहीं है, but I am getting that rum का थोड़ा सा sourness I am getting in this particular scent. It's really, I won't call it a gourmand scent, I'll call it a fruity scent. Very citrusy, very playful, flirty kind of a scent. I really liked it. And yes, it does have a lot of berry notes in it for some reason, which is making this body mist really, really unique and amazing to smell. I do like it. And I was really wondering कि इसका like body cream and body lotion भी मुझे चाहिए था, but unfortunately it was out of stock. और अभी the semi, I don't know, some kind of sale is going on in the Bath and Body Works के official website में. If you check, you'll get it. I don't know कितने दिन तक है, but अभी, like when this video will be out, तब तक it will be going on. So yes, you guys can check it out, because you know, बिना सेल के अगर आप लोग लोगे ना तो this will cost you around 2200, but सेल में you can get it for 900, 800 या 700 के आसपास you will get it. So yeah, उतना ही spend करना चाहिए. 2200 will be bit much. So yeah, मुझे 2200 पे करना पड़ा for टू अदर सेंट्स जो मैं बाद में दिखाने वाली हूँ. बट फॉर स्ट्रॉबेरी स्नोफ्लेक्स, विंटरबेरी वंडर एंड द अदर वन विच यू विल गेट टू नो, इन तीनों के लिए आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम नायका. सो कमिंग बैक टू द स्मेल, this is really, really very delicious smell. It's really good. It kind of reminds me of that minty, like you know, Skittles का smell मुझे ये बहुत दे रहा है. It also reminds me of that particular like grape kind of a, इसमें लिखा नहीं है कि grapes है, but the black grapes का भी मुझे वो scent थोड़ा बहुत मिल रहा है. It's really, it's a entirely, जैसे वो strawberry था, this winterberry wonder is an entirely cranberry, I won't say blueberry, but you know, mulberry, cranberry and black grapes, I mean purple grapes का जो smell है, I'm definitely getting all those scents. This is long lasting as well, 6 to 7 hours, because मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, ये बहुत ही Christmassy वाला vibe मुझे दे रहा है. This is something that I feel Santa Claus would wear. But yeah, so guys, you can really go for this particular scent because it's really good. और मैंने ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं किया है इसको, बट मैं जितना भी मैंने यूज़ किया है अब तक, एज यू कैन सी, इट्स रियली रियली अ गुड फ्रेग्रेंस, एंड अब तक इसने मुझे डिसअपॉइंट नहीं किया है. सो या, दिस वाज विंटरबेरी वंडर फ्रॉम बाथ एंड बॉडी वर्क्स. या, आई जस्ट लव द न्यू पैकेजिंग. पुराना वाला भी अच्छा था, बट आई लाइक द न्यू वन बेटर. The next that I have is my favorite scent of this season, that is pumpkin swirl cake. This is how the packaging looks like, and let me tell you guys, this particular body mist smells exactly similar, not similar बोलूँगी, exactly same to same as warm vanilla from Victoria's Secret का pink edition. दोनों में कोई भी difference नहीं था. That if you have not seen my Christmas वाला like what I got for Christmas, you'll get to know that मैंने warm vanilla भी खरीदा था for my Christmas. So yeah, both of them को मैंने smell किया है and they smell exactly the same. This is such a pretty gourmand scent. It has notes of pumpkin spice, caramel, toffee and creamy vanilla. Let me tell you one thing, honestly, इसमें pumpkin का नामो निशान नहीं है. You will not get any like pumpkin flavors or scent from this particular body mist. The only fragrance that you're gonna get is toffee, caramel, milky, vanilla, milky, like you know, कैसे describe करूँ? It's an entirely gourmand scent. You'll get that milky, creamy, fluffy, you know, crystallized vanilla kind of a scent to it, because इसमें ना वो वाले notes है, you know, जो cookies या bakery items में बनाने में use होता है, because it has that, you know, nutty, caramelized pista kind of a scent to it. And the best thing that I liked is it also gives me whipped cream wala vibe with caramel drizzles on top of that. It's an entire bakery scent. मतलब bakery में मुझे अगर देखूंगी किसी का bakery में smell नहीं आ रहा है, if I spray this, then yeah, you're good to go, because this is an entirely bakery scent. the main reason why I love this particular body mist is because it's a winter fragrance. It's really warm, it's really cozy, it's fluffy, it has that, you know, coziness, that vibe to this particular body mist. और आप अपने sweaters में, स्वेटशर्ट्स में या कोई भी लाइक वुलन क्लोथ्स, लाइक स्पेशली जो विंटर में आप लोग यूज़ करते हो उसमें स्प्रे करोगे ना, यूल फील सो स्नगली. दिस इज़ द काइंड ऑफ फ्रेग्रेंस दैट आई वुड रियली अप्लाई इट व्हेन आई एम गोइंग ऑन मूवी नाइट्स और डेट नाइट्स कहीं बाहर. बिकॉज विंटर का वो जो ठंडी ठंडी हवा के साथ दिस पर्टिकुलर बॉडी मिस्ट, बोथ ऑफ देम, उन दोनों का केमिस्ट्री लुक्स रियली गुड. इट रियली गो विद दिस करंट वेदर. कैलकाटा में ठंड है लेकिन उतना नहीं है, बट स्टिल this is really a winter fragrance, and I must tell you it has that cakey creamy vibe to it. I did love it. And yes, it has a lot of caramel notes. Once you smell it, like starting May, you will get that caramelized notes on your nose, but once the fragrance settles on your body, you will find that milky creamy vanilla-ness to your body. So yeah, this was Pumpkin Swirl Cake by Bath and Body Works. You can definitely give this a try, especially for those who are huge gourmand lovers. This is the body mist which is perfect for you. Now coming back to the two scents, which is the main reason why I'm shooting this video, the main sole purpose of Christmassy scents, that is Jolly Gingerbread Village and Bright Christmas. Let's go with Jolly Gingerbread Village. Okay, बहुत लोगों को जब ये परफ्यूम निकला, दिस इज़ हाउ द पैकेजिंग लुक्स, ये वैसे ही है. इट मतलब कोई चेंज वेंज नहीं हुआ है, पहले भी ऐसा था, अभी भी इट्स लाइक दैट इटसेल्फ. सो इट हैज़ नोट्स ऑफ गोल्डन जिंजरब्रेड, वनीला आइसिकल्स एंड यूलिटाइट टिम्बर. बट यू नो, जब मैंने जॉली जिंजरब्रेड को, मतलब व्हेन आई परचेज्ड इट, आई थॉट इट्स गोना बी अ gourmand scent, but no, it's a very mature gourmand scent. Let me tell you, like gourmandness थोड़ा बहुत है, it has that, you know, vanilla vibe to it, but it is a very mature, sophisticated, deep, feminine vanilla kind of a scent. Like it's not at all girly, ये बहुत ही mature scent है. It's थोड़ा सा, it's giving me perfumey vibes, like it does not give me body mist vibe. मैंने इतना यूज़ नहीं किया है, but it does not last that long, let me be honest. like 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours it lasts. थोड़ा सा ही, मैंने 2-3 बार ही मैंने इसको अप्लाई किया है, बट आई वॉज क्वाइट डिसअपॉइंटेड बिकॉज मुझे लगा कि सिंस द स्मेल इज सो परफ्यूमी, आई थॉट कि द लास्टिंग पावर विल बी थोड़ा और ज़्यादा. बट excuse me, since I thought that this particular body mist smells so perfumey, I thought it will last thoda or long, but it does not. So I was thoda sa sad about that. So yeah, but the thing that I like is that the scent is really good. मतलब जिनको थोड़ा सा mature vanilla, like ginger, yeah, it has that vanilla and ginger का mix to it, but ginger का जो content है वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है. Like once the fragrance settles on your body, that's the time when you can smell that ginger का जो smell है, जो note है, you will get it once the body mist settles on your body. But the main thing जो मैं बोल रही हूँ, lasting power उतना नहीं है. So I might, अभी तक मैंने like you know decide नहीं किया, I might declutter this, but let's see if I pair it with the body lotion or the body cream. Let's see how long it lasts. But still, अगर scent थोड़ा सा perfumey है तो lasting power थोड़ा ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. Not necessarily, but yeah, that's what I hoped. But you can still give this a try because long lasting नहीं है, मैं पहले ही बोल रही हूँ. But this smell is really pretty, really beautiful, really mature, very feminine. You will like the smell, but other than that, the projection is also really good. But even though it lasts for 2 hours, that whole 2 hours it does last. But सबका body chemistry डिफरेंट होता है, तो किसी के बॉडी में 2 घंटा, किसी के बॉडी में 1.5 घंटा, 3 घंटा भी हो सकता है. बट फॉर मी इट लास्टेड फॉर 2 to 3 hours, नॉट मोर देन दैट. फिर धीरे 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 द स्मेल फेडेड अवे and I had to reapply it. So yeah, this was Jolly Gingerbread Village by Bath and Body Works. The last one that I have is Bright Christmas Morning. I know a lot of you might be thinking कि Christmas के लिए ये scent एकदम perfect है because it has that bright Christmas morning written to it, तो ये Christmas fragrance होगा. This is how the packaging look. It looks exactly the same as Jolly Gingerbread Village, only the difference is that ये red है और वो brown है, थोड़ा सा brown golden yellow kind of a color है. It has notes of ripe red berries, blood orange and crisp apple. But this is again one more thing I would say is that the smell is really good. It's an apple fruity apple kind of a scent. इधर blood orange लिखा हुआ है, but there is no like such orangey scent. I'm not getting any orangey smell. Wait one sec. Oh yeah, it does have orangey smell in it. It has that apple orange kind of scent to it. जो apple का जो scent है वो ज़्यादा है. I don't know, like एक drink है apple का, Appy Fizz. It kind of smells like that. Very very similar to Appy Fizz. So it's an apple drink और उसमें बहुत ही थोड़ा थोड़ा like orange का like you know heart notes में you get the orange notes to it, but when you spray it the scent starts off with the huge and like you know immense like apple wala scent. So yeah, this is really a fruity and a citrusy scent. It smells like a fruit salad, but मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा because I really like the scent of Appy. मैं एक टाइम पे बहुत Appy पीती थी, like that apple juice. It kind of smells like that, but Christmas के साथ मुझे कोई relationship मिल नहीं रहा है. But yes, Christmas के टाइम apple pies होता है, apple tarts होता है. It also gives me all those vibes because apple pie और apple tart में भी like you know apple का वो smell होता है. So yeah, you can term it as apple pie tart wala perfume, I mean body mist. But other than that, the main reason why I wanted to talk about this body mist is that it is long lasting, but the smell is very very mild. Smell अच्छा है. I'm saying it's a fruity, it's a citrusy apple fragrance, like a candied version of apple. But the main thing is that ये बहुत ही mild है. Like only once you spray it, you will be the one who's getting the smell. Because मैं बहुत बार इसको अप्लाई करके मैं गई हूँ, but nobody is getting any smell. मैं पूछती हूँ कोई स्मेल वेल नहीं मिल रहा है क्या आप लोगों को? सो दे से कि नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. बहुत पास आने के लिए इतना पास कौन आएगा, बट बहुत पास द पर्सन कम्स एंड लाइक हाँ थोड़ा बहुत मिल रहा है, थोड़ा बहुत मिल नहीं रहा है, थोड़ा बहुत ही मिल रहा है. सो दैट्स अ कॉन फॉर मी फॉर दिस बॉडी मिस्ट. लाइक मुझे लगा था कि इट विल बी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग, बट it is long lasting but it's very very mild for me. I don't know like बाकी लोगों के लिए कैसा है, but मेरे लिए Bright Christmas Morning was really really an amazing fragrance, but people could not smell how amazing this fragrance is. So क्या फ़ायदा लेके अगर किसी को स्मेल ही नहीं मिल रहा है. बट इट्स अ रियली प्रीटी फ्रेग्रेंस. माइल्ड है बट द स्मेल इज़ रियली रियली गुड. एंड अगेन मैं बोल रही हूँ परफ्यूम्स के बारे में सबका लाइक व्यूज़ एंड ओपिनियंस डिफरेंट होगा. सो दिस वॉज माई व्यूज़ रिगार्डिंग ऑल दीज 5 क्रिसमसी फ्रेग्रेंसेज. आई होप यू एन्जॉय दिस वीडियो. आज का वीडियो बस इतना ही था. I will see you in my next video, and before that do let me know कि इनमें से आपका कौन सा favorite body mist है, and is there any body mist that you have used? What are your views on that? Do let me know, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, stay blessed, and once again, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.